Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a Greek style lemon soup. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we start off with a heavy base saucepan and put that onto medium heat, and then we're going to spray it with some low calorie cooking oil. To that then I add a finely chopped onion, the zest of a lemon, some crushed garlic. Give that a stir around, cook it for 3 to 4 minutes just until the onion goes translucent. Then to that we're going to add some chicken stock. Obviously homemade is best, but if not, just use a stock cube. And then some shredded leftover chicken. Now we're going to add some cooked rice. Give that a stir around, bring it up to a boil, then reduce it to a simmer. Now in a separate bowl we're going to take an egg and we're going to add the juice of the lemon that we had earlier. Give that a stir around, just mix the lemon juice and the egg together. And then we're going to take a ladleful of the simmered soup and we're going to add it to the egg. This helps to stop the egg from scrambling if you put it into the hot pot. Now we'll take the egg and we'll add it to our soup. Again, keep this moving, you don't want the egg to scramble. Now that the egg's incorporated, we'll bring it up to heat again. And now our Greek lemon drop soup is ready to serve. Now I've just served mine with some rye bread that I made earlier. I'll leave a link in the description below. Folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.